Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TOPS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday. In fact, I've been doing this one on a pretty routine basis. So that is where the green line here is coming from. And surprise, surprise, the power of charts. This 15-cent level here is once again in play and a very important level. So when I say in play, what do I mean? Well, you can see several times today the bears did try to press down through that level. But to give full credit where credit's due, the bulls have done a fantastic job of holding strong. And you definitely want to see that happen going forward. Why is that the case? Well, for the simple reason, any sort of breaks below 15 cents, or worse yet, if the price just continues to separate further and further down with any sort of break, at that point in time, that is literally putting the price right back into this range where it was when the price was flirting with these lows. And not to insult your intelligence, but I'm pretty sure you would agree and understand that price movements that are going back to where they were is not exactly a sign of true strength. You want to see prices stabilizing and making progress forward, of course, assuming you're bullish. So that is why 15 cents is still important and why the price is doing a good job of holding above it, and why that represents kind of a good solid bullishness, because let's say that this indeed does hold as support. Well, if you picture that as a previous support and then look at each of these as stair steps, that would give you stair steps in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. It's all about progress. You don't want to see the price going back to where it was. So 15 cents was tested today. 15 cents held. So that's a good sign going forward. We'll see if the bulls can continue to hold strong there or not. As far as levels of resistance, nothing new from yesterday. Still all about that purple line up there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. So in any sort of type of bounce, that'll definitely still be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, good job to the bulls for holding 15 cents, but that's definitely a must-hold level, so we'll see if they can continue to get that job done or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.